He was born on 28 September 1907 in Punjab. At a young age, he joined freedom struggle and inspired many others to join with him. At a young age, he joined and inspired many others to join with him. He was brave and willing to sacrifice his life for the country. He showed us that youngster among us can make a big difference. He was inspired by a Russian revolutionary and believed in socialism. He is considered a national hero and symbol of courage and sacrifice. He fought for our country. His famous was on, "It is easy to kill individuals when you cannot kill the ideas." He was arrested by the British and hanged on March 23, 1931 at the age of 23. We should remember Bhagat Singh's sacrifice and continue to strive for better India. We should work together to build the country, and this is fair, just and free for all. Let us celebrate our independence with joy and pride, and let us